say, baby, I know you just got off work and you been slaving.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB, aka Laneyy P. Welcome back to another video, another banger. Welcome back to the TYB family that is still left, because after last video, I don't know if y'all really believe that I was giving up on Susie. Y'all know better than that. Y'all know me better than that. I'll never give up on Susie or the bomb. These are the two cars that are closest to my heart, and we'll never get rid of them. So a lot of y'all unsubscribed, so I got beef with y'all for the next 5 minutes. I'm not messing with some of y'all, but to y'all that are watching this, you probably stayed and didn't unsubscribe, and I appreciate you with all my heart. So we have to stick together. We have to finish this build to prove all the haters and the doubters wrong. So we're up early in the morning. As you see, I got my coffee. I didn't get no energy drink because it's too early for energy drink. You drink an energy drink at 6 a.m. That's just weird. We're on our way to my uncle's right now to meet Susie and my uncle to get it done. Give the daily some beans. Let's see if manual mode gonna work. Nope, it's not gonna work. This is all she got. Dang, this dude got everything. Bro, there's a 34 right there. What the fuck? I'm about to figure out who that is. I need to talk to him. All right, y'all, we have made it, and I have now been assigned the task of taking off all of these sensor brackets, or little, little things that hold the sensor to the bumper, because the rear bumper and the front bumper don't have it. So we're gonna do the right thing, get the sensors in there. I know a lot of people don't throw the sensors back on the car or whatever, and they just deal with the malfunctions, but we don't want that headache. We don't want those problems. We have enough problems in our life already. So we're gonna go ahead and do it the right way, and we're gonna take this heat gun that I just learned how to use and this that I just learned how to use, and we're going to pry all of these off and then reassemble them onto the other bumper, and we're gonna do the same for the front. Front's gonna be a little bit more tricky though, because it has like a little black plastic cover over all of this that's covering this, so it's gonna be a little bit more work on the front bumper. But let's go ahead and let's get started.
Say, baby, I know you just got off work and you been slaving. Tryna make the ends meet, girl, with no complaining. Yeah, you dance and go to school, your occupation. You don't need validation, girl, you amazing. I know you just got off work and you been slaving. Tryna make the ends meet, girl, with no complaining. Yeah, you dance and go to school, your occupation. You don't need validation, girl, you amazing.
All right, y'all, finally we got it done. Honestly, that didn't take long at all, but as you can see, we got all of the brackets down. They're all numbered. My uncle already numbered all of these ones, but I do have to number the ones on the front bumper. But yeah, all this stuff is clean. All this little double-sided or little goo duct tape, we have more of that. We're gonna clean it up, and we're gonna reapply it to the back of these, and then install it to the rear bumper. All right, so here is the front bumper, and we have to start working on these. This one's going to be a little bit more tricky, and I'll show you why right now. So on the rear bumper, these little black brackets or whatever that's holding the sensor was just out on the main surface. The front bumper has this little black plastic sheet, and that has to come off with these little tabs right here and off right here. But luckily, we only have to take this and this one off. All of this will come out. Oh, there's a sensor right there. I should be able to get that with the heat gun. That shouldn't be too much of a pain in the ass. And then we also have to disassemble this, because we're gonna be putting this box somewhere on the front bumper, because it looks important for the sensors, and it might not, the sensors will probably not work without that box. I'm pretty sure of it. So we're gonna take that apart and assemble it in our own way. So as you can see, this thing is so much prettier than it used to be. The last time you saw it, it was still, needed to be touched up in certain places, but just look how good of a job my uncle did at bringing this thing back to life. He basically rebuilt this whole bumper. Like, this is how it should have came from the manufacturer. And I can't blame the manufacturer or the guy that sold it to me, because I don't know who did what and when did where and who did why. But all I know is this thing was effed from the jump. Because it was black, it was hiding all of that. And as he sanded it down, he just found more flaws and had to continue to fix it. But now that cracking stuff, all gone. This is all reinforced. This is all smoothed down, all primered. All the cracks and little nicks and stuff, this is all perfect and it's stronger. So the only thing really left is to fix this. That's super easy, light work. And really, he said just from the diffuser down, he's got a little bit more things down here he's gonna touch up. It fits good, it fits great. Minor adjustments need to be made. It's time to get excited, boys, because the bumper is going to be on ASAP. So let's get back to work. All right, y'all, we finally got the key to Susie, but only because we have to move her around, because we got to figure out how to mount that. The little like brain of the sensors, we're gonna mount it somewhere on the front bumper. But as you can see, the sun is literally cooking. If I cracked open an egg right now, it would burn on my forehead. Oh yeah, I might take it around the block real quick.
Be careful.
We'll see what happens. You know you gotta put that thing in sport. Sheesh. I'm about to pass out in here. Yep, y'all gonna see every malfunction possible, and that's what we're trying to avoid by doing all these modifications for the sensor. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. Yo, I miss Susie so much. She sounds so freaking sick. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. Susie, how we missed you. We missed you, baby girl. Oh. I fucked something up. My uncle gets busy. I hear something flapping in the wind though. We had our fun, but I know something's flapping. That doesn't sound good. Let me go outside and check what that is. Last thing I want is something getting chopped off. Okay, it's probably just, okay, it's just this. That's fine, whatever. Oh man, Susie looks not so good, but she's getting there and we miss her. That's not good. I can't go over like 15, but that's fine. Dang, Uncle, you had the steering wheel hella high. Here we go, that feels better. I was wondering why the steering wheel was so high. Let's get it right. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and drill these holes for the sensors. Wow, perfection. Yep, we spent a long time making sure all of this was not a millimeter off. Every one of these holes is perfectly aligned and in sync with the other side. If you guys haven't watched the other videos, my uncle already re-drilled and refinished these sensor holes. So yeah, we already got an idea of what needs to be done on here. We just had to create our own spots. Well, that looks pretty good. Sheesh, look at these. Perfection. It looked like it came like that.
It looked a lot better.
Oh yeah.
No, all I got to do is smooth them all out.
Uh-huh. Let's see. Oh, that's what? That's super smooth. Dang. I think it feels like it was made by like a machine.
Yeah. All this is all fucked up?
Yeah.
No, that's it. It's all nice. I just gotta fill up these little.
Oh shoot.
Little
This stuff is perfect. Yeah, this used to have like just weird, just like gashes.
Rash or something.
Yeah, it just weird. Like
Road rash or something.
this thing had a freaking sunburn or skin disease or something, but all good now, all
Alligator
fixed. Yeah, that thing was rough. Yep, y'all see, everything is pretty much perfect at this point. Like, even if they sold it like this and it just needed, from what it is now, touch-up work, it would be acceptable. All of this, like, I don't know if y'all remember, this had a fat gash in it right here. There was freaking lumps and tumors sitting on the diffuser fins. Right here, you can kind of, yeah.
Yeah, still a little touch-up. I'll finish later today like this.
Oh, yeah.
But that'll be all gone.
Yeah, that's light work. I'm super happy with the holes that we drilled. Y'all can see that every single hole lines up with another. Perfect locations. It's gonna be subtle and functional. Like if it was coming from, I don't know, is this? I feel like this is chopped a little weird than the other side. Yeah, look how like clean this cut is. I just found this right now. Smooth, and this one's a little bit jagged.
No, I'll fix that. I just gotta smooth it out.
Yeah, easy fix.
I got a stay bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bridge on a yellow pole. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs gets me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.